Hey guys, so it's been a pretty long week preparing for the kit to arrive for the barn. We took down a bunch of trees, graded some of the land, laid out the string for the exact barn layout, took down the old shed, burned a bunch of brush, learning a lot along the way. We've never really built stuff like this before, but my father has, so we're trying to stand alongside with him and learn every step of the process. The kit should come next Friday. So we're just going to be kind of going through cleaning up the yard over the next week, but I wanted to put together this video to show you all the first few days.
Alright, so day one, we dove right in, cleaning out the shed and getting ready to tear it down. We found out from our neighbor that this shed has been around since the 1980s, so it's held up pretty well over the last 40 years. But we saved the plywood from the roof to go over the post holes for the barn, so no rain will wash the dirt down there until we get it inspected. And we cut down a bunch of trees in the backyard, saving the two biggest ones, and just preparing the yard for the barn.
Alright, so Friday, after the track day, we got started and we tore down the shed.
Yep.
It's Sunday now and we're just trying to get through some of the brush. So
Started cutting down some trees.
yeah, so here's some of the trees we cut down and we're trying to get all of that gone. Keeping this tree, keeping that tree. Shed's gone. So yeah, first step is to get all of this cleared and get it level.
Barn day two and a half. We burned some more stuff yesterday, and today we are again burning more stuff and finishing taking down the shed. Yeah, trying to clean up and take a couple more trees down and get everything ready for when the kit comes.
Day 2.5 and we are almost done pulling up all of the trees and the shed is completely down. There was a lot of garbage and stuff from the previous owners that we have to finish getting rid of. Yeah, I'm exhausted. We've been out here for what, I think like 4 hours now after working all day. We got a fire going, just burning more brush, trying to get that down. It's gonna be a long process.